we created a medical assistant called TECuido that enables the individuals to access health services quickly and easily. Through the use of alert notifications, video calls, injury detection, and prescriptions, it helps the people in their daily lives in medical and emergency situations. In this way, deaf individuals can receive quality medical care without communication barriers. We created a machine learning model for the injury detection section, for which we follow the next steps. First, we define the main function of the model. We categorize the function into labels, collected images for each label, train the model, tested its accuracy. We improved the labels as needed. Particularly, we had to add a label for the case when there wasn't an injury. And finally, we imported the model in the app.
First, we have the emergency section. If one of my contacts has an emergency, I receive a notification and can access the location in real time. I can send several types of emergencies and send it to all of my contacts or a group in specific. I can select the severity and add a description. I can add my contacts in the application and add them into groups, so it makes it easier for me to send emergencies to them. There's also a prescription section where I, as a user, can add a prescription or also receive a prescription from one of my doctors. I can select the date and also the medicines with the instructions of the frequency, the duration, and dose. If I open one of the prescriptions, I can see the description of each of the medicines that were prescribed to me so that I can understand in a clear language what they are used for. There is also the injury section where we are using CoML to detect several types of injuries, bites, and burns. Here I can see recommendations which are already validated by a doctor so that I can act quickly. I can call an emergency number, I can watch the instructions in sign language in a video, and I can also directly report the emergency. There is also a video call section in which we are still working. In this section, you can make a video call with one of your contacts or join to an existing call. We want to integrate several features such as text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and emotion recognition. Text-to-speech will be used so that the deaf person can write and the doctor is going to hear what they are writing. The opposite will happen also, which is that when the doctor speaks, the deaf patient is going to see it as text. And the emotion part is basically so that the doctor can be aware if the patient is feeling confused or stressed and can react on it and change his explanation. There is also the video call part per se, and we're still working in integrating all of these features